Risk disclaimer.
Hello, my friend. What's going on? This is Emmanuel Adegbola, aka the Forex Apostle, and I have an exciting topic for you today. So today we're going to be looking into tips to overcome FOMO. Tips to overcome FOMO. Tips to overcome FOMO. I mean, I love this because this affects over 70% of traders, if not more than that. And especially when we talk about the millennial, this FOMO actually affect over 68%, as studies show. So this is the topic we're going to be looking at today. So I will encourage you to hang around till the end of this video. So the agenda for today, we're going to be looking into what is FOMO in Forex trading, what characterizes a FOMO Forex trader, factors that can trigger FOMO trading versus disciplined trading. We'll look into the cycle and how you can avoid that. Then we'll also be looking into my own FOMO experience, if not experiences, and I will encourage you to also share yours below this video. Then we will look into tips to overcome FOMO. So right now, just like the video you saw at the beginning of this video, okay, you could be our next winner for the weekly palliative cash gift that we give out. So all you have to do is subscribe to this channel if you have not, like this video right now, then share this video on your Facebook page or Facebook profile, follow us on our Twitter and like us on Facebook. It's as simple as that. So I'm going to give you 5 seconds to do that, then we'll continue.
Good afternoon. My name is TJ Sunimi Ajala. I'm the winner of the palliative cash gift for this week. I've received my cash gift already, and I would like to say a very big thank you to Mr. Emmanuel Adegbola, the Forex Apostle himself. I appreciate you, and I say God bless you. Thank you very much, sir.
All right, so welcome back. So let's look into what is FOMO. This has joined our dictionary words. FOMO is simply fear of missing out. Fear of missing out. It affects both newbies, both pro. It doesn't matter where you are in trading, either you're a big or you're a small account owner, it doesn't matter. So FOMO in trading is the fear of missing out on a big opportunity in the Forex market, okay? And it's a common issue many traders will experience during their career. FOMO can affect everyone, as I've said before, from new traders with retail account through to the professional Forex traders. It doesn't matter who you are. It's like, oh my God, I don't want to miss out of this trade. It affects everybody. So emotions are often a key driving force behind FOMO. What drives FOMO is emotion, okay? If you leave emotion out of the game, then you'll be able to control yourself. So if left unchecked, they can lead traders to neglect trading plans. Of course, as a Forex trader that you need to have a trading plan. Which condition makes you to, decide to enter a trade. Okay, if this happen, I'll go long. If this happen, I go short. If this happen, I exit my trade. By now that you shouldn't be, entering a trade without knowing how much you are going to risk, how much, if this trade goes in your favor, how much you will make, and so on and so forth. Those are part of your trading plans. So now, when we're talking about FOMO, it makes you neglect your trading plans, and of course it makes you to start using unnecessary risk. Okay, so emotions are often a driving key force behind FOMO. If left unchecked, they can lead traders to neglect trading plans and exceed comfortable level of risk. By now you know that I do say do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your account, but when FOMO steps in, you see people risking even up to 10%, 20%, even 50% of their account. That is crazy. So common emotions in trading that can feed into FOMO include greed, fear, excitement, jealousy, impatience, and anxiety. Let's talk about greed. You have a goal, your daily goal. Okay, today's goal, I'm going to make 20 pips, 40 pips, and after you have reached your goal, now you see the market still moving. You just say, okay, oh, you know what? I'm going to fetch more. I'm going to harvest more pips. And immediately you enter your trade, you discover that the market starts going against you. It happens to me always, and I'm still working in controlling and preventing. So this video I'm creating for you, I'm also creating for me. Okay. What about fear? Okay, you have a trade that is actually profitable, but you just look at it. Oh, you know what? You are scared. You are fearful that you exit the trade, or you see maybe some news release is coming, and you have this fear that, okay, if you don't join or if you don't trade that particular news or that event, you might lose money. That is fear. Excitement. You are so happy that you are so excited. You are making money, and instead of you to just close the shop and go home for the day, especially if you are a day trader, but you just say, you know what, I'm going to place more trade, and before you know it, that single trade you place more will actually ruin the whole profit you've made for the day. Then what about jealousy? Especially if you belong to one WhatsApp group or the other, Facebook group or LinkedIn, or you are in one group or the other, or a page, and you see people sharing their profit, and maybe you just look at it, oh my God, I've not made what they made. See, you don't need to be in competition with anybody when you are a Forex trader. You only need to be in competition with you. Okay, you have your daily goal. If it is 20 pips, and remember, 20 pips that you make today might be $20, might be $200, might be $2,000. So don't focus on the dollar, focus on the pips, because we make our money in Forex trading by harvesting pips. What about impatience? Okay, the trade will always be there. The trade will always be there. So if you can't trade today, just wait for another opportunity. If you can't trade this opportunity, wait for another one. You know that the patient dog eats the fattest bone, right? So when you are patient enough for right setup, for right opportunity, you will make more than even when you are in a hurry. Then anxiety. Oh my God, this happens to most Forex traders. Oh, if I don't place this trade now, I might lose my money. Oh, I need to trade quick. No, you need to avoid anxiety when it comes to trading. Okay, so let's look into a typical FOMO trader's experience. A typical FOMO trader experience. You see, you start, let's say, okay, this is the market. The market is going up, it's going up. Then this is where FOMO steps in. You see, people start getting so, excited. Maybe you have a trade that has given you some profit up to this point. You are so excited, you keep repeating the same buy, and immediately you buy. What happened? Market start going against you. Then around this particular place now, you are anxious, anxiety steps in, you are fear that, you are fearful that you might lose your money. Then the market is going down, then you start to sell. And the moment you are selling, the market reverses again and start going, back up. And the cycle repeats itself. It repeats itself over and over and over and over and over. So that is, the FOMO trader's experience, and you can avoid this. Once you place the trade, you enter your trade, put your stop loss. If your strategy involves using stop loss, put your take profit. If you are going to manage this trade, either by trailing stop or any other method, set it in place and let the trade run. Okay, so by that you will avoid this, repetition of cycle that affect most FOMO traders. I hope you are getting this and you are feeling this. Okay, so now let's look into characteristics of most, FOMO traders. They have the same language. When you have a set of winners, they have the same set of language that they live by, and when you have losers, they also have languages that they live by. So the same thing is traders who always getting affected by FOMO. They have these 7 common sentences, these common words that they say. Traders who act on FOMO will likely share similar traits and be driven by a particular set of assumptions. So assumption number 1, they are all doing it, so it can't be that bad. You are not they, you are not them. Okay, so you are you, so you do you. You know. Number 2, just think how much money I could make. Hey, you are not in competition with another person, as I've said. So make sure that you set your daily goal, stick with it, and of course move with it. Number 3, I will give it a go. Don't give it a go. If you are not sure of that trade, don't enter the trade. It's as simple as that. Okay, I should have known that will happen. No regret. Stop regretting when you trade Forex. Oh, I should have entered that trade somewhere. Oh, I should have exited that trade. Oh, I should have. No, stop regretting. Okay, when you regret, is part of what? Attributes of FOMO. Okay, they must know something I don't. Talking about people that maybe possibly making money than you, and you assume that these people know more than what you don't know. It's not true. So stop saying that. Oh, I'm scared I will miss a great opportunity. Okay, and so what? If you miss a great opportunity today, another opportunity will come tomorrow. Okay, and the last one, the yen is pretty safe bet, right? Everyone is trading it. If everyone is trading yen or GBP, JPY or Euro USD, that does not mean that you also must trade it. If your trading plan does not go with that, trade the currency pairs you are comfortable with. For example, I've never traded gold, I've never traded silver, I don't trade precious metal, I don't trade futures, all those kind of things. People are making money in it, but it's not just my own thing. So I stick with either currency pairs or indices, and that is what I do. Okay, so you try to be you. Okay, so what factors can trigger FOMO trading? We've talked about this before, and we'll quickly run through these 5 factors. Okay, number 1, volatile market. Number 2, big winning streaks. Number 3, repetitive loss. Number 4, news and rumors. And number 5, social media, especially forums, groups, and so on and so forth. Okay, let's talk about the volatile market, where especially during the news, you know, and you just see the chart moving. You say, oh my god, and you change the price, you buy into it, and the market goes against you. Or big winning streaks, you just won your trade, 1, 2, 3. Instead of you to close the shop and go home, you still want to place another trade, and that trade that you placed might end up, you know, affecting you. Then of course, repetitive loss. You lost 4th, 2nd, 3rd trades, and you think, oh, the next trade I must make up for what I've lost. Then you engage in what is called revenge trading. Okay, you know, normally you're supposed to trade 0.1 lot size. Then because you want to recoup your loss, you put a trade for 1.0 lot size, and that also you lost it. I mean, news and rumors. There are 4 ways by which you will deal with news. I will treat that in another video. Okay, so if you know you cannot trade the news, avoid it. Then rumors, especially when you belong to one group, one forum, or the other. And of course, lastly, social media. You see people posting different things, different signals on WhatsApp groups, on Facebook groups, on Telegram groups, and you quickly jump on it. You don't even know whether they are right, whether they are wrong. You don't know where they get the signal from. Just because you saw a signal, you didn't even practice it, you didn't even trade it on demo account, you landed it straight on your live account, and you start crying. I receive messages all the time from people in these categories. Okay, you can avoid all of this. Okay, I'm going to stop for today. We'll continue this video tomorrow, but make sure, if you have not, you know, liked our page, like this page, like this video, share this video with your friends, and then make sure that you subscribe if you have not done that. Okay, I will see you tomorrow. We shall continue from where we stopped. Today we have looked into what is FOMO in trading, what characterizes a FOMO trader, factors that can trigger FOMO, and tomorrow we will start from FOMO trading versus disciplined trading, the cycle, how you can avoid that, and why. I will share my FOMO experience, and then we'll talk about tips to overcome FOMO finally tomorrow. Have a beautiful day.